Today I am reviewing the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender 3-piece bundle. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a professional-grade hand blender that makes kitchen prep fast, easy, and versatile, the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender 3-piece bundle is one of the best options available. This 3-piece bundle is thoughtfully designed to handle almost any blending task in your kitchen, from smoothies and soups to sauces, whipped cream, and more. The first thing you'll notice about this immersion blender is its powerful 625-watt motor. Combined with 5 adjustable speed settings, it allows you to blend everything from soft fruits to tougher ingredients like nuts, frozen veggies, or hearty soups. Unlike standard hand blenders, this one gives you precise control over your blending speed, ensuring smooth results every time without splattering or uneven textures. The bundle includes 3 essential pieces: the immersion blender itself, a whisk attachment, and a storage case. The whisk attachment is perfect for whipping cream, eggs, or batters, transforming this hand blender into a multifunctional kitchen tool. With the included storage case, all the pieces stay organized and ready to use, which is especially helpful if you're limited on kitchen space. One of the standout features of this Vitamix hand blender is its premium stainless steel 4-prong blade. This blade is engineered to handle tough ingredients effortlessly, while the unique bell guard reduces suction and helps ingredients flow smoothly through the blade. At the same time, it protects your pots, pans, and cookware from scratches, a thoughtful design feature that many other immersion blenders lack. The ergonomic design makes one-handed operation simple, so you can hold your pot with one hand while blending with the other. It's comfortable for both right and left-handed users, and the 5-foot power cord allows flexible movement around your kitchen without feeling restricted. Whether you're blending in a tall container, a medium pot, or a wide mixing bowl, this blender is easy to maneuver. Versatility is another major strength. You can blend hot soups directly in the pot, whip desserts with a whisk attachment, or prepare single-serve smoothies without having to pull out multiple appliances. It's ideal for people who want efficient, all-in-one kitchen tools that save time and reduce cleanup. Speaking of cleanup, the stainless steel shaft and attachments are easy to wash, so you can go from prep to serving in minutes. In terms of durability and reliability, Vitamix has a long-standing reputation for high-quality kitchen appliances, and this immersion blender lives up to that standard. It comes with a 3-year limited warranty, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. You can rely on it for years of daily use, whether you're cooking for a family, experimenting with recipes, or whipping up quick meals. In summary, the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender 3-piece bundle is an exceptionally powerful, versatile, and thoughtfully designed hand blender. Its combination of a 625-watt motor, stainless steel blade, adjustable speed settings, whisk attachment, and storage case makes it a must-have for home cooks, food enthusiasts, and anyone who values efficiency and performance in the kitchen. From blending soups and sauces to whipping cream and eggs, this immersion blender delivers professional-grade results without the hassle of multiple appliances. If you want a single, reliable, and multifunctional kitchen tool that can handle virtually any blending or whisking task, the Vitamix 5-Speed Immersion Blender 3-piece bundle is a perfect choice. It's powerful, durable, easy to use, and designed to make your cooking experience smoother, faster, and more enjoyable.